My name is Pepe Barquin, and I come from the Environmental Hydraulic Institute, which is the institute that is coordinating the project ALICE. Basically, our role as coordinators is to provide guidance to all the partners on how to achieve the different technical and financial tasks. And this is being agreed on a regular basis through the project board meetings. The project board meetings are meetings that we held in the different cities across the Atlantic space, in the different cities of the different partners. And basically in these meetings what we do is we review all the tasks, deliverables and works that has been planned for that for every 6 months. And then we set new goals and tasks for the new 6 months coming.